Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Motorola. First of all, you need to access Clock app. Then select Alarm at the bottom left corner here and tap on this plus icon. Now set up an hour, and when you're ready, save it by choosing OK. From here you can customize your alarm however you want to. For example, you can add label over here and save it by choosing OK. Enable all disable vibrations by clicking on this little icon next to vibrate. Add it to Google Assistant routine by tapping on this little icon. And even pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Now select default and tap on dismiss or one of those sources if you wish to use, for example, Spotify music. Then you can pick one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you and go back. But you can also choose add new and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner, selecting one of those options like downloads and clicking on the song that you wish to set up. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back, tap on one of those like helium, go back as well, and as you can see now, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to tap on this icon over here, select delete at the bottom left corner, and if you wish to adjust more alarm settings, for example alarm volume, you can do that by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, tapping on settings over here, and adjusting all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!